All right, come with me. Let's go around and see what's ready in my garden today. It's autumn here in New Zealand, and even though we're moving out of summer, there's still a lot happening in the garden. I always enjoy this time. It's slower, but still really rewarding. I'm going to start here with my beetroot. The leaves are looking really healthy, nice and green, which is always a good sign. Let me gently pull this one out. Oh, wow. Look at that. Such a beautiful beetroot. Nice and round, deep, rich color, and it feels really fresh. There's something so satisfying about pulling root vegetables out of the soil. You never really know what you'll get until you see it. Now, let's move over to my cucumber plant. They usually hide under the leaves, so I need to look carefully. Oh yes, here it is. This one looks perfect. Not too big, nice and firm. That means it's going to be really crunchy and fresh. I'm happy with this one. Now let's check my cherry tomatoes. Even though the season is ending, they're still producing a few. Look at these, such a bright red color. That means they're sweet and ready. I'm just gonna pick a handful. Fresh tomatoes from the garden always taste so much better. Next, I'm coming to my gotu kola. The leaves are looking so green and healthy. This is one of my favorite plants. It's a Sri Lankan leafy green, and I love growing it here. It reminds me of home. I'm just gonna pick a few leaves gently. These are perfect for salads and really good for you too. Now moving on to my blueberry plant. Let me look closely. They're a bit hidden sometimes. Oh nice, I can see a few here. These dark blue ones are ready. I'll pick them. Looks like I've got about 5 or 6 blueberries today. Not a lot, but still really exciting. Now let's check my strawberry plant. Let's see if there's anything ready. Oh yes, I see one. Just one strawberry, but it's a beautiful red color. It's small, but I know it's going to be sweet. Even one feels special when you grow it yourself. Next, I'm coming to my scarlet beans. Since it's the end of summer, there are only a few left now. Some of these pods have dried on the plant. Let me open one and show you. Look at these seeds inside. You can actually eat them too. Nothing goes to waste. Now let's go to my sweet corn. Let me feel this one. Yes, it feels nice and full. That's how I usually check if it's ready. I'm gonna pick 4 today. They look really good. I'll leave the smaller ones to keep growing. Now for the carrots. Let's pull one out. Look at this shape. It's a bit funny. That's because I transplanted them instead of direct sowing. But that's okay. They're still fresh and perfectly good to eat. Before I finish, let me check one of my pots here. This is where I planted some garlic a few months ago. Most of the leaves have already dried up, so I couldn't really see much from the top. There was only one plant that still had a bit of green left. Let me dig a little and see what's underneath. Look at this! Even though the top looked dry, there are garlic bulbs growing underneath. I can see one here, and another one here, so I've got 2 garlic from this pot. They're not very big. But still, this is so exciting. There should be a few more still in the soil as I planted more. I'll leave them for now and let them grow a bit more. And finally, I'm picking some spring onion leaves. I'm just cutting the green tops. They'll keep growing back, which is really useful. I've brought all my harvest into the kitchen and arranged everything on my bench top. Just look at this. Everything here is from my garden today is. Fresh beetroot, cucumber, gotu kola leaves, cherry tomatoes, blueberries, a strawberry, scarlet beans, sweet corn, carrots, garlic, and spring onion leaves. All homegrown, even though it's a small autumn harvest. It feels so satisfying to see everything together. From soil to kitchen, there's something really special about that. And check this out. I'm going to open one of the sweet corn I picked. Wow, look at that. The kernels are full and juicy. Perfect color. Really fresh. This is exactly why I love growing my own food. You can see and taste the difference immediately. This is what I love about gardening. Even in autumn, even at the end of a season, the garden still gives back. If you enjoy this kind of garden journey, follow Gardenglownz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening videos.